Hi. Today we will talk about Google Cloud Foundation. When planning your migration to Google Cloud, you need to understand an array of topics and concepts related to cloud architecture. A poorly planned foundation can cause your business to face delays, confusion, and downtime, and can put the success of your cloud migration at risk. This video provides an overview of Google Cloud Foundation concepts and decision points. Your current business processes, lines of communication, and reporting structure are reflected in the design of your Google Cloud Resource Hierarchy. The resource hierarchy provides the necessary structure to your cloud environment, determines the way you are billed for resource consumption, and establishes a security model for granting roles and permissions. You need to understand how these facets are implemented in your business today and plan how to migrate these processes to Google Cloud. Identity and access management lets you grant granular access to Google Cloud resources. Cloud Identity is a separate but related service that can help you migrate and manage your identities. At a high level, understanding how you want to manage access to your Google Cloud resources forms the basis for how you provision, configure, and maintain IAM. But what about billing? The concepts of resource hierarchy and billing are closely related, so it's critical that you and your business stakeholders understand these concepts. Make sure you thoroughly assess and understand your current accounting and reporting requirements in order to set up cloud billing accounts in a way that satisfies your requirements. Cloud billing accounts define who pays for a defined set of resources that are grouped by Google Cloud Project, and a cloud billing account is linked to one or more projects to determine who pays for which resources.
Connectivity and networking. Virtual Private Cloud, or VPC, is a private network space within Google Cloud that you control and is the foundational component of your network architecture. Your workloads might need to connect to your on-premises environment and the public internet. Take the time to understand the hybrid connectivity options provided by Google Cloud for managing connectivity with your on-premises or multi-cloud environments. And do not forget that in Google Cloud, the physical network layer is virtualized, and you can deploy and configure your network using software-defined networking.
The way you manage and maintain the security of your systems in Google Cloud and the tools you use are different than when managing an on-premises infrastructure. Your approach will change and evolve over time to adapt to new threats, new products, and improved security models. Zero Trust Security is a new approach to enterprise security that was pioneered by Google and is likely different from the security model that you're currently employing for your on-premises workloads. You and your security administrator should understand Security Command Center to help you track and monitor potential security risks across your entire organization. Security Command Center can help you remediate these risks before an attacker can exploit them.
Your current enterprise IT environment likely employs one or more logging and monitoring solutions already. In Google Cloud, you can aggregate all logging, metrics, and events for your infrastructure into a metrics scope. It's important to understand your options for managing logging data that is generated from your infrastructure and workloads. If you want to centralize the management of your logging data, you can export logs from cloud logging to your existing solution or import logs from your current tools. Cloud logging supports a rich and growing ecosystem of integrations to expand the operations, security, and compliance capabilities available to Google Cloud customers.
Google Cloud also offers Cloud Build, a managed service to support building and deploying code. For services that can take advantage of IAC, Deployment Manager lets you manage the lifecycle of your Google Cloud services and products. You can automate interactions with specific resources by using the Cloud APIs. Within Google Cloud, the Cloud APIs are enabled per project, and your governance strategy should determine who is allowed to enable the Cloud APIs and under what conditions. Usage of these APIs can consume resources from Google Cloud services and incur costs, so make sure you understand how enabling the Cloud APIs can affect your billing. Effective governance is critical for helping to ensure the reliability, security, and maintainability of your assets in Google Cloud. As in any system, entropy naturally increases over time, and left unchecked, it can result in cloud sprawl and other maintainability challenges. Without effective governance, the accumulation of these challenges can impact your ability to achieve your business objectives and reduce risk. Disciplined planning and enforcement of standards around naming conventions, labeling strategies, access controls, cost controls, and service levels is an important component of your cloud migration strategy. More broadly, the exercise of developing a governance strategy creates alignment among stakeholders and business leadership. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoyed this Google Cloud component.